Do you ever wonder how some celebrities turn their fame into thriving businesses? It's not just about being famous or having millions of followers. It's about building a brand that connects with people, solves their problems, and turns attention into long-term wealth. The best part, you can do the same thing. Even if you're just starting with a small audience or a simple idea, by following the right steps, you too can create a business that resonates deeply with your audience and grows steadily over time. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how to copy celebrity business models, step by step. Are you ready to start? Let's dive in. 1. Identify your niche celebrity. The first step is to find your niche celebrity. Instead of trying to become a global superstar like the Kardashians or Elon Musk, focus on a specific niche that has a loyal audience. In today's world, specific is more profitable than broad. A fitness coach with 50,000 followers might have 5x the engagement of someone with millions of followers. Their audience feels like they know them personally, and this deep connection makes the advice and products they promote feel more genuine. Instead of following the traditional celebrity model, look for smaller, niche influencers in your field. They might be in fitness, beauty, finance, tech, or any other industry. These niche celebrities have audiences who trust them more because they feel like they're part of a tight-knit community. The key here is to study these niche celebrities, go beyond the follower count, and focus on their engagement. Look at their comments and see how their followers react to them. Are they asking questions, giving praise, or sharing personal struggles? Are they showing real engagement? Once you understand who these niche celebrities are and why they are trusted, you can use this information to shape your own approach. 2. Build your digital persona. Be the main character. The second step is to turn your brand into a digital persona. A celebrity is often more than just a name. They're a character that people connect with. Whether it's a quirky personality, a motivational attitude, or an expert tone, a digital persona is what draws people in. You need to show up as yourself online, and not just as a faceless brand. The more people feel like they know you, the stronger the trust bond will be. Celebrities do this by showing glimpses of their personal lives, their successes, and their failures. They share their stories because it makes them feel human and relatable. This doesn't mean you need to expose everything about your life, but you do need to make sure your audience understands who you are, what you stand for, and why they should trust you. Your digital persona should be consistent across all platforms, from the tone of your content to the colors you use in your branding. Everything should align with your values and your personality. If you're friendly, your content should feel welcoming. If you're an expert, your content should reflect your knowledge and professionalism. Your audience needs to immediately recognize your content and understand what kind of value you bring. This is how you create personal brand loyalty. 3. Create a high-quality, authentic product. A celebrity brand works because people trust them, but trust is earned through authenticity and high-quality products. If you want to build a business like a celebrity, you need to create a product that delivers on its promises. The meaning transfer model explains that when a celebrity endorses a product, their trust and influence transfer to that product. If you stand for efficiency or simplicity, your product should be the most efficient or simplest tool available. If it's not, your audience will feel disappointed and the connection will break. You don't need to go overboard and make the most expensive or complicated product, but it has to solve a real problem in a way that aligns with your brand. The first step is to start small and test your ideas. It's important to create something that people will actually use and love, even if it's a small version of what you envision in the long run. Test your product with a small audience first. You don't need to launch with a huge inventory or complex systems. Start with something simple, like a digital download, a mini course, or even a low-cost physical product. This is where quality beats hype. Remember, people may buy from you because of your celebrity status, but they will come back for the quality. Ensure your product solves a problem and leaves your audience satisfied. Over time, your reputation will build, and word of mouth will become your best form of marketing. As your product resonates with your audience, they will start recommending it, helping your business grow without much extra effort. 4. Leverage social media for distribution. Social media is one of the biggest tools celebrities use to distribute their content. Today, content is king, and you can own your own media. Instead of relying solely on third-party platforms like Instagram or TikTok, you need to build your own audience on platforms you control. Think about it. Celebrities don't just rely on TV ads or magazine spots anymore. They create content and distribute it directly to their audience. And this is something you can do too. Whether it's through a YouTube channel, a podcast, or email marketing, you have the power to engage with your audience, without needing to go through the middleman. The key to success here is consistency. Create content that builds trust and engages your audience, but also make sure you're moving them to a platform you control, like an email list or a community. Algorithms on social media can change at any time, but your email list or community will always be yours. You can use social media to build relationships and keep your audience engaged. Share your process, ask for feedback, and show behind-the-scenes content. This makes your followers feel like they're part of the journey. 5. Transition from creator to owner. Now that you've built a loyal audience and a quality product, it's time to transition from being just a creator to being a business owner. Many celebrities started as actors, musicians, or influencers, but their real wealth came when they owned part of the businesses they promoted. Ryan Reynolds is a perfect example. He made more money from selling his shares in Aviation Gin and Mint Mobile than from his entire acting career. When you're an influencer, you make money by promoting other people's products. But when you're an owner, you make money by owning a piece of the pie. You're building long-term wealth, not just earning a flat fee per post. This shift is about thinking bigger. You need to move away from just creating content and promoting products and start thinking about ownership. Whether that means creating your own product or investing in a business, the more you own, the more your wealth can grow. You don't need to start big. Start by creating your own product or service that's tied to your brand. Build something that represents your values and what you want to offer your audience. As your business grows, look for opportunities to expand into areas where you can generate passive income, such as affiliate programs or partnerships. 6. Scale and automate your brand. Once you have a working business model, the next step is to scale. Celebrities don't do all the work themselves. They build systems and automate as much as possible. As your brand grows, you will need to move from working in your business to working on your business. Set up automated email systems, content repurposing strategies, and outsource tasks. This frees you up to focus on growing the brand and creating new opportunities. To scale effectively, you need to make sure your business runs smoothly even when you're not actively working in it. Set up automated workflows and content strategies, and hire people to help you manage operations. This way, you can continue growing your brand and income without feeling overwhelmed. Delegating tasks allows you to focus on your bigger vision and helps you maintain a balanced life. By streamlining repetitive processes, you free up your time to connect more with your audience and expand into new ventures. And there you have it, how to copy celebrity business models, step by step. You don't need millions of followers to start. You need to be focused, consistent, and strategic. By following these steps, you can build your own business empire, just like the celebrities you admire. So start small, pick your niche, create a persona, build a product, use social media to engage with your audience, and eventually, make the transition to being an owner, not just a creator. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more practical business tips. Also, comment below which step you're excited to start with. Let's build our brands together.